Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and hardware. Today, we're diving into the world of motherboards with a close look at the Gigabyte A520M S2H. Whether you're a PC enthusiast or just looking to build your own rig, this motherboard has some interesting features you won't want to miss. I'm your host, and I'll be your guide on this tech journey. So, let's get started. First, let's kick things off with a quick overview of the Gigabyte A520M S2H motherboard. This motherboard is designed to support 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors, making it a powerful choice for your gaming or productivity needs. It's got the AM4 socket and can handle dual-channel DDR4 memory with 2 DIMM slots. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This motherboard is built to support AMD 3rd generation Ryzen processors, which means you have a wide range of options to choose from when it comes to your CPU. This flexibility is fantastic for those looking to tailor their PC to their specific needs. When it comes to power delivery, the Gigabyte A520M S2H doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 4+3 phases digital PWM design, which translates to stable power delivery for your CPU and other components. This is essential for maintaining performance and preventing overheating during intense tasks. Gamers, take note. This motherboard features a PCIe 3.0x16 slot, perfect for your graphics card needs. Whether you're gaming or working with graphics-intensive applications, this slot has you covered. Additionally, there's an NVMe PCIe 3.0x4M.2 slot for blazing fast storage options. Don't underestimate the importance of audio quality in your gaming or multimedia experience. The Gigabyte A520M S2H comes equipped with the ALC887 audio codec, ensuring you get crisp and clear sound for your favorite games and content. On the connectivity front, you'll find a 1 GB LAN port for speedy network connections. Plus, it offers rear D-sub, DVI, and HDMI support, giving you options for connecting your display. And with its MicroATX form factor, this motherboard fits nicely into a variety of PC cases. One important thing to note for those looking to use AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors is that you'll need to update the BIOS. Gigabyte has made this process relatively straightforward with their QFlash Plus feature. You'll download the latest BIOS update, save it to a USB flash drive, insert it into the designated port on the motherboard, press the QFlash Plus button, and let it do its thing. It's a crucial step to ensure compatibility with the latest CPUs. Before we wrap up, let's acknowledge Gigabyte's legacy in the tech world. They've been a respected player for years, providing top-notch hardware and support. Their commitment to excellence has earned them recognition, making them a trusted choice for many builders. In conclusion, the Gigabyte A520M S2H motherboard is a solid choice for those looking to build a powerful and reliable PC. With support for 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors, a robust power delivery system, and essential features for gamers and content creators, it's worth considering for your next build. That's a wrap for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Have any questions or thoughts about this motherboard? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy building!